So now this is what's called a pancake flip. I'm going to put my feet under the board, lining up with the trucks, just a little bit, just the toes. And I'm going to jump straight up in the air, but also jump forward to be able to land on the board. I use this pillar as stability, and we'll do it without the pillar after we got confident. 3, 2, 1. Simple.
Now it's my turn. This right? Yeah?
Good.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, let me do it again.
Good enough.
Good enough.
The main thing that people get wrong, Daniel, is that they jump up, board goes forward, they can't land on the board because the board's in a different position. So you have to jump up and forward to land on the board. That's the main thing people do. They jump up, they go, oh, why didn't I land on it? Because you're not moving forward.
So my motion should really be more like this.
Agreed, yeah.
Right. Okay. Okay, let me...
And don't forget, bolts on, bolts off. Land on the bolts.
Right. Ah. One more. Close enough.
Skate lessons for grown-ups who wanna be cool
with Skate Daddies.
So this is the way to flip the board over if you need to as well. 1 foot, get used to that. Do it 10 times. Flip the board, trap it. Flip the board, trap it. Flip the board, trap it. Center of the board, flip it. Flip it. After this flip, you can go straight to a pancake flip without holding onto a pillar. Boom, done. You're on the board.
Okay, flip it. Yeah, okay.
Good, but you're supposed to trap it with the ball of your foot in the middle of the board. Yeah, good. Good. Nice.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
Cocky. So now do a board control flip. Have the board deck up, flip it, and then go to a pancake flip.
Wait, what?
Because you're setting yourself up for a pancake flip without using your hands.
Okay.
Whee! Almost bolts on, bolts off, but not bad. Not bad. Yeah, you got that nailed, man. Good. Woo, a little bit further forward. Go forward with the board more. That's what my main instruction was, to jump forward with the board. Don't just jump up. Better, but as you see, your feet aren't landing in the center. Try again. Yeah. No. Go further forward.
Okay. Anyway, let's move on.
We're moving on. We haven't got that trick yet.
Okay. I'm gonna try to get one right so I can cut out the rest.
Ooh. Yeah, good enough.
Good enough.
But you understand that you should be.
Yeah.
Your toes should be hanging over the front of the board when you land.
So ideally, I should
you should be landing
like
like
this.
that. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.